Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Book of Bomefork token. Ticker symbol is Bomefork, all one word. This is a new Solana meme token. This token has a full audit. They're having a public pre-sale. And the pre-sale is going to start in about a day or so you got a lot of time to go check out this pre-sale here. A lot of these Book of Meme tokens are very popular. You know, the fork thing was very popular for a bit too. And, you know, with the pink fork meme tokens. And then now we have the Book of Bomefork about to start their pre-sale on Pinksale.finance in around a day or so. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, you thought Book of Meme madness was over? Nah, we forked it and created Book of Bomefork, inspired by the original Book of Meme token. What makes us Book of Bomefork? On-chain, IPFS-based storage, meme enhancers, and pixel art creator. Arweave.net blockade game from the 90s. Decentralized meme gallery. We took everything you loved about Book of Meme and sprinkled some extra magic on top. And yeah, and then they have a full audit here that you could check out on Pinksale. So they were audited by Coinbase, and you could view the full PDF of that on Pinksale. If you want to find this token, real easy, just go over to Book of Meme, just go over to Pinksale.finance and search Bomefork, all one word, in the Launchpad list. Or you could just go to this Twitter right here. You're going to see lots of links there. We'll get to that in a second. Now, this is going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. There is 9 decimal places on this token. A total supply of 6,900,421 tokens. So there is no hard cap for this pre-sale. So this pre-sale is basically just going to continue until time runs out. And they have a soft cap of 50 SOL. So this pre-sale is going to start exactly April 23rd at 16 hours UTC time. And it's going to run for 3 days and 2 hours. And like I said, no hard cap, so it's just going to run the full time. It's going to be finished April 26th, 18 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Book of Bomefork token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, bomefork.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. Hopefully, we'll find that there, what they say about taxes in a second. And liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 365 days. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 47.15% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 22.84% of the tokens go to liquidity, 11.99% of the tokens go to marketing, 10% go to team and advisors, and 8% go to central exchange listings. Now, there's also a free and quick light audit by BlockSeifu in the discussion section. You can check that out on Pinksale. They also have a Telegram at Bomefork that has 870 members. 42 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion about this project, to learn more from other members of the community. And they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here. They just joined in April 2024. That's how brand new this project is. Only 7 tweets so far. They have 584 followers. And basically in their pinned tweet right here, they have the start time, end time of the presale, and a link to the presale on pinksale.finance. So if you just click on that Pinksale link in the pinned tweet, then you'll see all the other socials, the web page, the audit. Basically everything is in that pinned tweet there. Just click on that presale link, and then of course, you know, the rest of their tweets are filled with a lot of memes, because this is the Book of Memefork. So dive into Book of Memefork, where we're amping up the meme madness by blending classic meme culture with the latest in decentralized storage tech and wild crypto antics. Our mission is to lock in the best memes of today into the digital vaults, making sure every gem is stored forever on the blockchain. With Book of Memefork, powered by Solana and Arweave, and leveraging IPFS for primary storage, your favorite memes are secured for the long haul. Join us as we carve out a fresh dimension in decentralized social media and keep the memes rolling non-stop. So Book of Memefork is on the wild side. And then it says, you think this is peak of magic? Think again. We're diving even deeper into meme madness with more chaos, more degenerate features, and a flood of new memes that stretch the limits of humor and tech. More and more is the memeverse, and with Book of Memefork, the meme party never stops. It's a complete ecosystem linked to our fork, with memes stored on IPFS, Arweave, and directly on the blockchain. Plus, explore our decentralized social network, use our meme-making tools, and browse through a vast CCO meme clip art collection, all in one meme coin. So they have many useful tools: the Meme Pixel Enhancer, Pixel Art Creator, the No Rights Reserved Meme Collection, the IPFS Meme Gallery, and a blockade game, which they say is live, and there's a link to their game there on the webpage. Now, I don't see anything about taxes, so it doesn't look like you're going to have to worry about slippage, but you never know. I mean, if you do buy or sell this token later on off of a DEX, you could leave what your slippage was in the comment section down there to help other people out. But besides that, go check out this pre-sale before it starts, and let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.